In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle mute your microphone in OBS Studio. By the end, you'll be able to quickly silence your mic during a stream or recording and bring it back just as fast, all without fumbling around on screen. Start by opening OBS Studio. On the main window, look toward the bottom for the Audio Mixer dock. This panel shows all of your active audio sources, including your microphone. If you've named your mic something specific, look for that name. Otherwise, it might appear as mic, aux, or a similar label. You'll also see a volume meter moving when the mic is picking up sound. To mute or unmute directly from the mixer, click the small speaker icon beside your microphone slider. When the icon turns red, your microphone is muted. Click it again to unmute. This is the quickest visual way to confirm your mic's status, and it's handy when you're already in OBS and want immediate control. As a quick tip, watch the green volume meter. If it stops moving and the icon is red, you're definitely muted. For even faster control, especially while gaming or presenting, set up a hotkey. Go to File, then Settings, and select the Hotkeys tab. This lets you control many OBS actions from the keyboard without clicking around. In the search or filter box, type mute to narrow the list to microphone-related actions. Locate your microphone source, then find the entries for mute and unmute. To create a simple toggle, assign the same key or key combination to both mute and unmute. For example, you might choose something like Ctrl+M or a function key that doesn't conflict with other apps. Using modifiers like Ctrl, Alt, or Shift can help you avoid accidental presses. Once assigned, press Apply or OK to save. While you're in the hotkeys menu, you can also set push to mute or push to talk for temporary control. Push to mute silences your mic only while the key is held down and releases back to normal when you let go. Great for quickly covering a cough or background noise. Push to talk does the opposite. Your mic stays muted unless you hold the key, which is useful when you only want audio to pass when you're speaking. Before you go live, test everything. Press your hotkey and watch the audio mixer to confirm the icon changes and the meter responds as expected. Consider making a short test recording to ensure your voice is captured or muted at the right moments. With that, you've got fast, reliable microphone control in OBS Studio.